So really here at Starkey Farmstead, we just have your basic winter crops going right now, or your fall crops.
They're looking good.
And I'm gonna tell you, I'm really excited about that cabbage right there, Dad, because I bought a fermenter and I'm gonna ferment my own cabbage. I'm gonna make sauerkraut this year.
Sauerkraut. I love sauerkraut.
So I bought the big black tank with the weights, and as soon as that cabbage gets big enough, I'm gonna cut it and set it up and I'm gonna ferment. So I'm gonna make sauerkraut for the first time. Never made it though. Do you have a recipe for it?
No, but I love sauerkraut. Sam's, when you buy those hot dogs,
Yeah.
and where they got the radish and all that stuff, they got little packs of sauerkraut. The best ever tasted.
Yeah, but like with sauerkraut, like the purpose of fermenting is to trap the nutrients, right?
Right, and keep it, preserve it.
Preserve it. That's what I thought.
Yeah, preserve it over the winter where they have food to eat.
Well, you know, we've done apple ciders and we've done tonics, but I've never really done any fermenting. So I'm excited to ferment cabbage. That's why I'm growing it, in all honesty.
But anything fermented basically is good for you.
Yeah, and it'll hold for years, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're going back now finding jugs buried in the tombs that's got traces of food in them. And your honey's still edible.
Yeah.
That's in those tombs.
I've heard that. I gotta find a good recipe. Anybody watching, you guys got a good recipe for fermenting cabbage, please drop it in comments for us. I'll give it a try.
Yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, I think our winter crops came. One question. How long do you think I've got with those carrots before it gets too cold and kills them?
Oh, if they're not dead now, they're going to have a little last. They were through what, 2 pretty hit cold nights?
It's dropped below freezing the last 2 or 3 nights in a row.
Look how pretty they are.
But how cold can carrots take it, Dad?
I'm not sure. But they're doing pretty good right now.
They are, but they're only about an inch in length when you pull them. The actual carrot.
Did you buy baby carrots?
No, that's all full-size carrots.
Then it might be a little late in the year for them.
That's what I'm thinking, but I want to let them go to the very last minute. I tell you what, even though carrots are not great to feed rabbits, the tops of that, the green sticking out, those rabbits, that's very, very good feed for them. So pretty much what we don't eat out of here, I feed back to the rabbits and chickens.
Ain't gonna hurt them either.
No, I feed them all of this. I come out here every day and pick a little bit for the rabbits and feed them.
Well, how many baby rabbits you have now?
About 50.
Ow-wee.
They're so cute. You want to go see them?
Yeah.
People love baby rabbits. They can handle, rabbits can handle cold. They can't handle heat. We put, watch out, Mama. We put hay in here when it's really cold. Look at that.
Oh, Bobby, look at that.
Look how cute.
Isn't that precious?
Oh, it's so cute.
Isn't it adorable? Everybody loves a baby rabbit.
Well, rabbit has white rabbits, huh?
Oh, yes, sir. Hey, Mama.
What breed is that?
That's a New Zealand, Daddy. And look at her. She's got beautiful babies back here. Hey,
It's late
Mama.
in the year for them to be having babies, isn't it?
Oh, no, sir. They breed year long. I'm going to give you some greens. I told you, if you come look at their babies, you have to pay. You have to pay. And the payment is food. They're good with you looking at their babies if you feed them.
They won't. This one don't have any water.
I'm going to give it to her.
And you didn't give her any food, and she's looking for it.
This one don't have water. This one does.
I know. I'm coming, Mom. I'm in the middle of feeding. She's like, hey, I'm coming. I'm going to give you some.
All right, Sammy, I'm ready to go.
Okay, Mom.
I love you guys, too.
Every once in a while, nature send you a present you wasn't looking for. Isn't that precious? Little bird nest.
Oh, it's beautiful. Looks like they used the hay off my farm to make it.
That's exactly what it is. I guarantee you they got it right out there.
Yeah, look at the center of it, though. It's got like little pieces of leaves and stuff.
Oh, yeah. It's surprising they don't have feathers in it.
Yeah,